Good afternoon. Thank you for coming, guys. Good afternoon to all. Shout out. Ayan, shout out sa aking super chatter. I just want to thank you to my friend, brother Cosmo, Sperry, and also to, what is this? Rich Buang to Rich Buang to. Thank you so much for your donation. Thank you very much for your help. And also to my friends Garily, the Limapo Music, shout out. Thank you so much. Good afternoon. And also, hi ho, Stacy Hot Kitchen, shout out. Thank you so much. I just want to thank you to all my super chatter and member of a new member of my channel. I just want to say thank you. And also, I just want to thank you to you, Mom Hot Kitchen. You already have a blue jacket. Thank you for coming, Mom Kitchen. Ayan. We just wait another friend to come and connecting to each other. So, just please wait, okay? Thank you very much. And connecting to each other, guys. Hello po. Magandang hapon. Hi. Ayan. Sa totoo lang guys, masakit ang ngipin ko. Yeah. Please thumbs up my live. Don't forget to thumbs up always to my live. It's a very big important like me. The small YouTuber like me. And if you are not already done to subscribe my channel, please give me some subscribe. Give me some click the subscribe button. You can click the subscribe button, then subscribe to me, guys. Okay, thank you very much. Shout out. It's a rainy day here. We have rainy day here. Hello, Tizzy Hot Kitchen Hub. Wait a minute, I just want to see 2.52 subscriber. Oh wow, you have 2.62 subscriber. Just stay there and connecting to each other. You have get some subscriber to my visitor there. So please support. Lantas TV vlog, thank you very much for support. Thank you so much for coming. Don't forget to thumbs up my like. Sir Vic Kalantas TV, shout out. Tessie, Miglaw shout out. Cutie support, Miglaw shout out. Ayan, magandang hapon. Bigyan ko po kayo ng jacket. Thank you. Thank you for the thumbs up. Cutie dan tusot. Okay. Cutie ha. Tingnan ko lang po ikaw kung magkano. Cutie have 50 subscriber. Ma'am Cutie. Pang support nyo lang ba yan? Pang support. Welcome po. Ayan, pang support lang pala. Thanks sa jacket. Welcome po, Sir B. Kalantas TV Vlog. Maraming salamat din po sa pagdalaw. Don't forget to thumbs up. At saka, kung hindi pa po kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, pa-subscribe din po sa aking channel. Thank you so much. Ayan. Gusto ko